So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 18.7.8, the update is missing on your iPhone. So maybe you're going inside of your software update and you're seeing right here that the update is missing, or you're going inside of your iPhone settings and the update is missing there. Now, the main reason why this update might be missing on your iPhone is usually because for the most part, these types of updates are basically available on your iPhone if they're supported. So make sure you have an iPhone that is supported on iOS 18. Number two, you will also need an iPhone that is basically able to be updated to this version of software that isn't already on iOS 26. So if you make your way over to your iPhone settings and you click on software update, you might see that you might already be on iOS 26. Go inside of your general settings, click on about. If you are already on any version of iOS 26, you will not be able to go through and install iOS 18. That update is already gone, it's unsupported, so that is kind of the big takeaway. Now, if the update is still missing, but you're on iOS 18, you can verify you should have it, you can always go inside of your iPhone settings again, go inside of your Wi-Fi connection or your cellular connection, make sure you're fully connected, and you can also try restarting your iPhone. Hold the volume up in the side button, slide the power off, see if that ends up fixing it, and for a lot of people that should end up fixing it for you. So, in terms of that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.